Hey, what is up, Forex family, or just family? If you're not into Forex, but you're interested in finding a new job, stopping that 9 to 5 grind and just starting to work from home and spend time with your family and either make full-time income or passive income until you feel safe enough to do it. And I promise that anybody can do it. It's possible, and it's probably easier than some of the jobs you've worked. And so if you're into Forex, you're at the right spot. And first thing off is I'm going to show a good indicator, a new scalping, or not a new, but a scalping strategy. If you want to scalp Forex markets and just try to catch so many pips and make $100 a day, then that's what you can do. So on this channel, we're going to have experienced six-figure income traders and beginners, and I'll do videos for new scalping trends. I'll do reviews on software, robots, to see if any of them work, and just whatever you want me to as the viewers, what you guys ask, I'm going to go ahead and provide. It's going to be free. I'm not going to charge you anything. Six-figure income traders and beginners, and I'll do videos for new scalping trends. I'll do reviews on software, robots, to see if any of them work, and just whatever you want me to as the viewers, what you guys ask, I'm going to go ahead and provide. It's going to be free. I'm not going to charge you anything. If you're interested in something I use, I will go ahead and put links in the videos below, and you can check it out. And if you choose to buy or something, that's on you. And I'll just give you my honest opinion on it. And you'll be your best trader if you stick here and just and get some of the simple, basic education. And I will teach you exactly what my coaches are teaching me. And they have a big business. I've been doing it for years. And ever since I joined 2 weeks ago, I haven't lost any money trading. I've only made money, and it's worth it just for that. I will stay with them, continue to learn, and I'll even tell you how you can be a part of that if something you're interested in. So anyways, let's just get to it, and let's start with a new scalping technique or strategy that I like, that I use on a 1 minute and a 5 minute time frame. And it's simple. It's called the alligator. I'm going to show you how to use it and show you money, and it's worth it just for that. I will stay with them, continue to learn, and I'll even tell you how you can be a part of that if something you're interested in. So anyways, let's just get to it, and let's start with a new scalping technique or strategy that I like, that I use on a 1 minute and a 5 minute time frame. And it's simple. It's called the alligator. I'm going to show you how to use it and show you how it's best used. I'm going to tell you this: for my 1,000th subscriber, I'm going to pay for their first month into the team of coaches that are training me, that I learn from, that have live sessions every day, and that have live signals called out to you on your phone and during sessions that you can take. And I guarantee it will pay if you do it right. You're going to make money. There's no doubt about it. You'll make your money back in the first week, or my money back, since I'll be paying for it. You'll make my money back in the first week, and you're going to want to continue to do it. Anyways, it's the best thing I could have chose. I hear people talking about they failed and blown multiple accounts learning. Well, this is the thing. I wanted to learn from someone that has already done that, and all these people have done that, so there's no point in me trying to do it. If I'm getting into it, I'm going to learn from the best right off the get-go. So I took a lot of time. I did a lot of reviewing. One of the best, I hear people talking about they failed and blown multiple accounts learning. Well, this is the thing. I wanted to learn from someone that has already done that, and all these people have done that, so there's no point in me trying to do it. If I'm getting into it, I'm going to learn from the best right off the get-go. So I took a lot of time. I did a lot of reviewing. One of the best YouTube channels, and I can tell you, is my team member I got on with him under his team is Prestige Options. And Prestige Options, I'll put a link to it in here, and check him out. He's got some great videos too, and his name is Paul. And what's up, Paul? Thank you so much for being there. He takes my phone calls and emails me anytime I have a question, and that's what it's about when you're on a relationship with a business level. You want to have that relationship where someone's going to talk to you, not just message you. Don't give your money to any scam people, anybody offering to 10 times or 24 or 5 times or 4 times your money overnight. Don't give it to them. If anybody's going to do it, you can do it, and it can be done, and we'll show you how. So let's get to it. 1,000 subscriber. To start this channel off, gets the full month and the option to be have your own site. Also, I'll pay $115, and I'll pay for that. So the 1,000 subscriber times or 24 or 5 times or 4 times your money overnight. Don't give it to them. If anybody's going to do it, you can do it, and it can be done, and we'll show you how. So let's get to it. 1,000 subscriber. To start this channel off, gets the full month and the option to be have your own site. Also, I'll pay $115, and I'll pay for that. So the 1,000 subscriber. So share it, like this, comment, send me your emails, send me your questions, and just what do you want to see. And I'm going to be making videos daily. And so if I'm not making a new scalping technique, I'm going to start from the beginning and just teach for people that want to get into it, but don't know how, that want to get on a platform and know how to trade, that don't know anything, but just want to start from the basics and just learn the fundamental analysis, just the candlesticks and just how it works, and just sometimes the least amount is the best. That's why I like the alligator. So let's get to it. Plug it, subscribe to this channel, share, like the videos, and let's build this channel up and become a strong family Forex. All right, the candlesticks and just how it works, and just sometimes the least amount is the best. That's why I like the alligator. So let's get to it. Plug it, subscribe to this channel, share, like the videos, and let's build this channel up and become a strong family Forex. All right, let's build this channel up and become a strong family Forex. All right, Forex. All right. Okay, what's up, family, Forex family? Let's get to it. We're going to show you a scalping technique that's kind of simple for beginners out there that I like to use. I've used it since I started scalping or doing Forex a few months back, and I always use it on the 1 to 5, 15-minute time frame. You always want to start your day, or you're looking at your charts. You might as well start it today. You might start it a week, but start it today and zoom out, and so you'll get your trend lines, which we'll talk about, your support and your resistance, and vice versa. And I'll show you how to set a chart up, and and so you'll work your way down. So you always want to look from the top down. We call it the top down analysis, and start from the day, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5 and 1, and just the 1 minute's all over the chart. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to use the alligator. So this is on a MetaTrader on a desktop. Okay, so let's see here. What I want you to do is pull up a chart. Let's go to View, and after View, go to Market Watch, so you can see the different pairs or different dollars that you can trade. And let's just do, let's see, a euro. Let's do a USD JPY. So United States dollar versus the Japanese yen. I'm going to close it, Market Watch out, and so here's our chart and what it looks like. It's good to me. I don't like it like that. So what I do is I right click and I go to templates, and let's see here. I will sometimes add a template. Let's do this. Let's go up to indicators. Go up here to insert on the top. Insert indicators, and then come over. First off, let's do the alligator. That's your alligator. It's very simple. It'll show you the perimeters that are set up. You don't have to change anything. Just leave it 13, 8, and 5. That's how it is. You don't have to change anything. Just hit OK. You're going to notice green, red, and blue lines pop up on the screen. That is the alligator indicator. And so what I'm going to do is try to get rid of this stuff on the back of the screen. I want to get rid of the grid, and let's get rid of that altogether, and we'll just make it black so it's not there. I'm going to make sure the bars that are going up are lime green. Those are the bullish bars. The bearish bars are when it's going down. I'm going to make sure they're red, and I'm going to make sure that the candle wicks, the little sticks that come off the tops and the bottoms of the candles, I'm going to make sure they match whatever color and whatever way they're going. Red going down, and green going up. Okay, so then I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to go at top here and make sure it's on this candlestick. If you hover over, it says candlestick, so click it, make sure it's on candlestick. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in. Where's the zoom? Right here up top says zoom. We're going to zoom. Now this is what I want you to watch. We're on 1 hour. I'm going to go down to, let's go down to a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the alligator, is this fluorescent green, this red, and this blue line. The green line is what I want you to pay attention to, okay? Every time this green line crosses over the red line and the blue line, I want you to watch. So right here, it crosses over, and which way does it head? It goes down. The green line goes down. Now I want you to see right when it crossed, if you want to enter the trade right here, all right? Got in on the trade right there, and then sold. So you think it's going down, the market's going down, you're going to sell. If it's going up, you're going to buy. So you sell and watch. It drops, 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 all the way down to here. So it comes back up. So when that green touches another one, you definitely want to be out. But you don't have to. You can get out before this, but you could have rode it all the way down to here. But let's follow it, see where it goes. All right. Now let me get it where I can move it. If we move along here, come on now, move along with me. Okay, let's just go back. Go back. Okay, look, right here. Green crosses over the red and the blue. You can jump in right here, sold, and look at this. Drops, 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 drops. Okay, I'm gonna pull it over here so we can see kind of how much it drops. Okay, you're looking at, look here. Right here it goes over. Let's see what, Okay, let's just say it is at 107, uh, 107, 147. Okay, drops all the way down to 106,747. That's 100. That's 100 pips. Okay, let's keep moving from here. It's still dropping, even though it hasn't went up. So I'm going to be safe. Watch it go right here. It crosses it again. First we looked at probably. Let's go further. I just want to show you that it keeps doing it over and over. Right here, crosses over the green. Drop, 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 drop. Crosses over. Look this way, going up. What happens? Bam, shoots up. Okay, so these are trades you want to enter, sniper enter trades right on the money. Bam, and then you want to get out before it gets here. And so you might not know when it gets there. So you want to get in and get out. You just kind of can do your. Look at this one. Man, this is beautiful. When they really intersect right there, like right together, look how much it dropped. Look how many pips you could have collected here. This is 106. Oh, is that the one we're looking for? 107. Let's back up even further. Come on, let's go back. Back right here. Crossed, dropped. Oh, look at this going up right here. Let's look at this one going up. So you can see it right here. Crosses. So you cross, get in right here. There's a little pullback, not much, okay? But let's just get in here. I'm going to move this. We're looking right here. I want to move it. Okay. 107. Let's just say 107,380. Just call it. It goes all the way up to 107,775, 380, 75. You see that? Now, money. Cross is going up. Look at this. All the way up. Money. Doesn't matter which way it's going. Now here, it's choppy. I stay out of that. All through here. It's what they call consolidation. And this is just choppy. It's just going sideways, you know. You can get in somewhere and make some money, but you got to be really careful. So the longer, the more patient you are, the more money is key, not to lower your account. You listen to what I'll teach you. I'm a little more aggressive on some things, but the more patient you are with the and the management's key. If you want to account, if you're involved through me or Paul, you're going to see that there's some information and they break down so easy to understand. That's great. Just the coaches and just when they show you how to be patient and wait for the right setup, it makes all the difference in the world. Because I will jump in and out, like I said, sometimes, and you get in and out. You know there's a ratio of when the more wins you are. So this works good, especially if you want to get $5 or $10 here or there. 13, you know, if you're not trying to get real big money at first, just try to build your account up. This is a great method, the alligator method, okay? But when these coaches call out these signals, sessions, I have made just some money. I'll show you some pictures just from recently, just the last couple days. You know, always open a demo account, okay? And just do this with a demo account and see what you can do if that's what you want to do and be safe. I got multiple demo accounts. And I can show you. I'll start some with 100, some with 1,000, now it's with 5,000, and see what I can do. I just started one last week with 5,000, and you know it's just over the last week and a half. But there was more money to play with. These brokers let you leverage more. Certain brokers will let you leverage 1 to 500, 1 to 50. Some brokers, traders, will let you leverage 1 to and if they're not going to do, if I don't know, $15 or $17, they're going to cut it off. So you're not going to lose your account real quick if you don't know what you're doing. It'll just drop until it's gone. So you got to be careful about that. So play with a demo account and see what the lot sizes you buy. What they mean, 0, 1, 0.1, or 1 point. There's a big difference, especially if you're dealing with gold and stuff. So I'll leave you a link to Trader Way if you're interested in using this platform here. And so today, the alligator. Stay tuned. I got more coming up. Subscribe. The one that is the 1,000th subscriber, I hope we hit it quick too. I'm going to go ahead and pay to be part of the team that I'm under that has taught me in less than 2 weeks how to be consistently profitable, especially if I just follow their rules and try not to follow them. Like this, the way I teach, if I need to talk slower and slow it down, just let me know. I'm here to educate you. I'm here that I am responsible for bringing multiple people up out of their jobs if they ever didn't like it, and into a life that they can enjoy, into a job that they can enjoy, not working all day. Or if they want to work all day, fine. But if you want more time to spend, if you're serving in ministry, if you want to be with your family, if you want to take vacations and make memories, or just whatever you want to do, you can do it. And through Forex, it's possible. Extra income, it's possible. Easy. I can teach you. I'm gonna teach you. and I'm going to be responsible. Like I said, the 1,000th subscriber, I'm going to pay to get him in, and we're going to watch him start to make money, and he's going to be a testimony here soon. So if you know Prestige Options, say what's up to Paul in the comments, and I'm going to plug them, and I will see you back soon.